I am rAVe. I'm here at InfoComm 2026, and I want to just talk to you about one of our new products, the HDX series. So if you're not familiar with Nureva, we're all about simplifying large room audio. Our latest product is the HDX series. You can see it here is made up of audio bars, a system hub, and microphone pods. And with these three components, you can have full room audio, great microphone pickup, distributed full range output. You can do voice amplification and voice lift. Plus you can get assistive listening through Auracast, all from this modular system. Really easy to set up, really easy to deploy and manage. And we really think it's something that's going to be a game changer for large corporate meeting rooms, training rooms, lecture halls, and really any extra large space. That's the HDX series. If you want to learn more, go to Nureva.com. Thank you very much.